Dear students, welcome in our today's topic. Today we will learn about hormones, characteristics of hormones and some endocrine glands. Hormones are chemical secretions that bring about various changes in the body. They are produced by endocrine glands. These glands release hormones into blood to reach specific target sites. Production of hormones, it is under the control of hormone produced from pituitary glands. Now the characteristics of hormones. Hormones act as chemical messengers. They are secreted by living cells or tissues or organs called glands. So these hormones, they are secreted by glands and they are secreted in very small quantities. Hormones act upon specific cells, tissues or organs called the target sites. They are generally slow in action but have long-lasting effects. Hormones either accelerate or inhibit a reaction. This was about the characteristics of hormones. Now endocrine glands. We know that hormones are secreted by endocrine glands such as the pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, etc. Major endocrine glands in humans are pituitary gland. It's a pea-sized gland situated at the base of the brain. It secretes a growth hormone. It's required for proper body growth. The hyposecretion of growth hormone causes a condition called dwarfism, and the hypersecretion causes gigantism in children and acromegaly in adults. Thyroid gland. It is located close to trachea in the neck. It produces a hormone called thyroxine. It is required for regulating metabolism in the body. The hyposecretion of thyroxine causes hypothyroidism. This condition causes abnormalities like simple goiter, myxedema, and cretinism. Lack of iodine leads to deficiency of thyroxine, which results in a disease called goiter. The excess secretion of thyroxine causes hyperthyroidism. It results in high metabolism, protrusion of the eyeballs, high BP, nervous tension, etc. Now another gland which is known as parathyroid gland. There are four parathyroid glands present on backside of thyroid glands that secrete parathyroid hormone or parathormone, which is called as PTH. This hormone regulates the level of calcium ions in the bloodstream. Excess of this hormone removes calcium from bones and makes them soft. Now pancreas. Pancreas produces two hormones. One is called as insulin and another glucagon. These hormones maintain blood sugar level. Deficiency of insulin results in diabetes. Adrenal glands are two in number and are located one on upper part of each kidney. It has two parts, cortex and medulla. Cortex secretes the hormones like cortisol that regulates the rate of metabolism. The medulla secretes a hormone like adrenaline that prepares the body to face various stressful situations. Gonads. These include testes in males and ovaries in females. Male sex hormone is testosterone. It is produced by the testes on the onset of puberty. Female sex hormone produced by ovaries are estrogen and progesterone. Deficiency of estrogen causes infertility. Process of hormonal action. Endocrine glands, these release their secretions into the bloodstream, and the hormones, they on reaching their target site bring about necessary changes to maintain proper functioning of the body. This was about hormones and endocrine glands. Thank you.